Me again. So I'm finally making this bunting that I've been promising for weeks. It's for my nephew, little Woody. So yeah, I'm going to do some sewing tonight. Bit of background then, I guess, because I haven't really spoken about myself as much. But before I did what I do for work, I actually studied fashion at the Bournemouth University Arts College. Just did fashion studies there. And yeah, so I have a background in kind of sewing and illustration, I guess. I guess I'm nifty on a sewing machine. I do things on a whim every now and again, cushion covers, I made a shirt for myself once, do bow ties and things like that. So I just enjoy sewing as a recreational thing. So I'm going to do the bunting today. So I'll show you what I use. Follow me, house tour! So, in the hallway, I have got... Hello! This menagerie of fabric. It's just fabric I've collected years, months, whatever. Scraps are going free. I kind of take them because I know I can make them into something, or at least try to make them into something, I guess. But today I'm making bunting, so I'm going to make bunting for baby Bartlett. So I'm going to cut these out individually and then apply them to the fabric, and then I'm going to sew them onto this sort of sized triangle, as the French say. So yeah, it's just about the right size. I've already selected fabrics for this, so I'm just going to show you what they are now. Ta-da! So I've gone for real neutral bases and tones. Woody's playroom is like cream and white and woods and stuff like that, so I'm using like neutral tones just to emphasise that. I'm going to cut the letters out, alternating between the colours, and then do the same with the triangles as well, so they'll be like mirror versions of each other. And then for the string or ribbon, I'm going to use this calico. This is super cheap. This is like 90p a metre, so I bought like 10 metres worth. And I'm going to make my own basically like bias binding. Got this really cool tool that will do that, and I will show you how to use that later on. So I guess I'm going to start cutting the letters out and the triangles, and I will see you back on. And there is the beginning of the bunting. Forgot to also tell you, you've got to have two important things when you're making anything. So as always, cup of tea. Yum. And also I'm watching a film while I'm doing this, just to keep me occupied. So I'm watching the Lego movie, which is awesome. So now that I've cut the letters out, I'm going to sew them onto the triangles. I'm just going to sew them on the machine with a zigzag stitch. Just use cotton thread, which will probably be white or cream. Let's see what I've got, and then I will show you the results. Camera change. So what I've done is I put in cream thread into the machine, done the bobbin, all magical. I've set the machine to the stitch that I want, so I'm choosing number 6, which is like a small zigzag, and I'm choosing like a medium sort of distance of where it's going to stitch. I'm going to test it out first on some scraps, and then so now what I'm doing is I'm feeding through some scrap calico through this bias binder maker. Basically it comes in the thick one end, you pull it out the other, and it pre-folds it for you. But I'm going to do this downstairs, so I need to iron it, and I haven't got an iron up here, so I need to go do that. So I shall see you in about 5 minutes. So here is the finished, you can't really see that, can you, but that is basically the ribbon, everything that I'm going to put over the top of the bunting. So here we go. And that's it. Bunting for baby Bartlett. Are you loving it? Yes, you are. So I'm going to get this in the post to my sister, and she doesn't know that it's coming actually, so that should be a nice surprise. Thanks for tuning in again, guys. I hope this kind of kept you mildly entertained. If not, you had plenty of other options to choose from, some more for you. And I guess I shall see you later on this week. So, see you later. Bye.